welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today's video is this really easy soft glam makeup look which I think is perfect for Valentine's Day and will go well with any outfit. This look is inspired by some products that I have been recently trying out. So I discovered a new brand on Instagram lately as I was scrolling and I saw that a lot of them are talking about it. It's called KIRO Beauty. So firstly, it's a homegrown Indian brand. Secondly, I noticed that it's a cruelty-free brand which is so good. So I have a couple of their products and their products are really good for the skin, you guys. They are free from all these harmful chemicals and they're infused with some really good oils like jojoba, avocado oil and marula oil, which I think is great especially for like Indian skin. So when I saw the products that I had, this was the look that instantly came to my mind, and it's perfect even if you're a beginner, you're not a pro at makeup, you can still pull this look off because it's so easy to do. So yeah guys, without wasting much time, let's get started with the tutorial. Start with a moisturized base, never start with a dry skin. I'm correcting my under eye circles with an orange corrector. Now apply a foundation that suits your skin type. Don't apply a lot, just start with a little amount. Remember, less is more. Next, I've applied a concealer to cover the dark circles. Again, I've applied less, not a lot. Then set your face with some loose powder and apply a little bit more under my eyes. Now it's time to contour the face. Apply the shade on areas where the shadows naturally appear. This helps to define the face and be very light-handed with it because you don't want to go too overboard with the contour. So while I bake my face, let's move on to the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm going to keep it very simple and I'm going to start off with the KIRO Beauty Long Wear Brightening Eyeshadow Stick in the shade Peachy Gold. Now this is such a great option even if you're a beginner because it's so fuss-free, it's so easy to apply. You need not be a pro at eyeshadow application. This is enriched with vitamin C and mango seed oil. As you can see, it's such a beautiful shade and it just applies so well. Another great thing is that it is crease proof and it's water resistant. You don't need to apply a primer with this and this will stay on all day. Now you know that I cannot do without a smoky eye. So I'm going to use the KIRO Beauty High Definition Soothing Eyeliner. This is in the shade Earth Brown. As you can see, it glides on so smoothly. It's rich in pigment. I'm just going to go very close to my lash line. And then I'm going to take a tiny brush and then just smudge it. I'm going to do the same on my lower lash line. Finish off the eye look with lots and lots of mascara. For me, a Valentine look is not complete with a good amount of blush. I have the KIRO Glow On Blush Duo in the shade Perfect Pink and Fresh Grapefruit. So I'm going to swirl my brush on the blush. This is infused with rosehip oil and calendula oil. Such a beautiful color and I love the way it added a tiny hint of glow as well. Finish off the base makeup with a dash of highlighter. And lastly, it's time for lipstick. I have the KIRO Non-Stop Airy Matte Liquid Lip in the shade Pink Salt. This is infused with avocado oil and apricot oil. Now that's a gorgeous color, guys. I love the pigmentation. It was so easy to apply and it's very lightweight on the lips. It doesn't feel uncomfortable at all. So yeah guys, that's the final look. I enjoyed myself creating this look. It's so my kind of look. Like I could wear this any time of the year. Oh wow, I just love it. Especially my eyes. Look at them. It's so beautiful. I loved the crayon. It's so easy to use. Love the pigmentation and just looks so stunning, you guys. Like it will look good on any Indian skin tone. And even the eyeliner is so perfect. So good and it hasn't smudged even a bit, which I'm so impressed with. And this lipstick, I literally don't feel that I have anything on my lips. It's so lightweight. love the coverage, love the pigmentation. It's such a great, comfortable matte formula. And it hardly transfers, which is so amazing. I hope you all really enjoyed this video. I have added the links of all the KIRO products in the description box, and they also have an amazing discount going on right now, so you can definitely check it out. So if you've liked the tutorial, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, hit the like button, don't forget to share it with your friends and family who would love to wear a stunning soft glam makeup look. And yeah, that's it from me today. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified when I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.